question 2 says, what is the ratio of circles to hearts? And this word 2 is very important because this word 2 is going to help us to see what goes first and what goes second in our ratio. Whatever you're talking about before the word 2 is going to be the first part of your ratio. And whatever you say after the word 2 is going to be the second number in your ratio. So what are we talking about before the word 2? Well, we're talking about the number of circles. And how many circles do you see in this diagram above? Well, I see 1, 2, 3. So the first number in our ratio is going to be 3 because it talks about the number of circles. And what's the second thing we're talking about in our ratio? If you said the number of hearts, you're absolutely correct. And how many hearts do you see in the diagram above? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be the second number in our ratio. And there are 3 ways to write ratios. The first way is to use the word 2. So let's write that in. We could say the ratio of circles to hearts is 3 to 5. We could also write it in fraction notation, where the first term goes in the top of the fraction and the second term goes in the bottom of the fraction. So on top, I'll write the number 3, then I'll write my line, and then I'll put the number 5. And finally, we can write the ratio using a colon, and that's just the 2 dots that are one on top of the other. So I'll write 3, colon, 5. But most importantly, even though there's 3 ways to write ratios, there's only one way to read ratios, and that's just as you see right here. And that's the ratio of circles to hearts is 3 to 5.